Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. I'm visiting the Renaissance Fair 2020. People just up in all kind of sitting. If it's a first time offender, don't forget, try to remember, hit that subscribe button and don't make me have nothing.
Give me, have mercy, sweet ass, don't give me gas.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Look good out there. I'll get that one there, get some mad one there.
Rush-Dem said like the video.
Everyone knows that for a proper duel, you need a glove.
Hey, no glove, no love, baby. Ow! Step 3, the traditional
And formal,
presentation of arms.
what we call
The salute. Does nothing impress you people? Oh, now they're like, yeah, no, we do not need your pity.
Oh, yes, we do.
All right, maybe a little. First, stand tall like the manly duelist you are, and look mean.
Whoa! Wrong show.
Moving on to step 4.
Did you think I'd fall for that rusty old move?
Yes.
Do I look like an idiot to you? Right on cue. What are you doing?
Rethinking my career choice.
Whoa! Thank you.
All right, tough guy, you just try it again.
Well, bring it on.
Oh, it is broad.
Oh, you go, girl.
Ha! I saw that one coming from a mile away. Oh! Ah! I mean, ow. Ow? I don't think anyone's buying this. That is so not fair. There is no punching in a sword fight. Ha! Ha! Oh.
No, it's okay. He's got nothing to lose. Now, you can see this rapier has
Long sword. Ha! Yourself. Yes.
Well, mine's bigger.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you see that, ladies? I can get 2 hands on my long sword. The blade is much more... Whoa!
Well, I can whip mine around.
Yeah, but it's always lived. Whoa. Well, mine's got a great big pair of... Never mind.
Well, mine's got a big head.
Well, mine has a slight curve.
Well, mine is 7 feet long.
But mine is cocked and ready to fire.
Yeah, but he shoots blanks.
Oh. It's not the size.
Knights in armor.
An epic battle ensues. Ah.
All right, use your imagination.
Hey, imagine it's a good show.
Quick, well, we got 2 of them. Not the hair.
Let fall. Oh man, I do not see how you do this at your age.
No. It's these little blue pills, baby. They are magic. Aleve! Aleve! You know you take 2 Aleve in the morning for your knee and your elbow? No complaints.
Oh, sure.
You guys
Yeah,
know what
okay.
I'm talking about, right?
Oh, my joints hurt all the time. Oh, complain, complain, complain.
Well, I didn't hear your mother complain.
My I don't know. You. Our fight show became a dance off.
It'd be a better show.
No kidding.
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Rush-Dem said like the video.
I want to make him look so people. Oh, I'm being mad people up here now. Blows and skirt. Oh, nobody looks so. Nice dress.
Thank you. That's like your band.
Come on.
Try to throw her like a man would.
The mermaid look good though. Ariel now, no fun now. It's alright, you good. Oh, don't mean I look so.
We need more shade. We need more shade to throw. Hello.
I want to see our face, people. No look for now. Jesus Christ, how was that? Alright, you know, I'm see if I can get something for you real quick. I don't know what more I'm but I kind of feel hungry and also I gotta check out what they on the menu. Yo, people, no look on that one. This is the menu up there, so. But the most interesting thing me find right there, so. Look on this, what this say. Gator and a stick. So yeah, tell me say them cook the alligator and put it on a stick. Yo, but the thing I got just the food the other place, you know, because gator on a stick does sound wrong. We decided to get fish and chips.
Alright. Here we go.
Never feel like feeding alligator today. Fish will work.
You want this one? Mommy hold that one?
This thing tastes good. My God.
Okay.
I mean, I did feel hungry too, you know, so.
Okay, look, I want the thing.
You know, so when I did feel hungry, food always tastes good. And the best tasting food I always get.
No tan duro,
Oh, yeah.
suavecito.
Fish and chips, people. Fish and chips. They're in England today.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Terrell!
This vest is so nice. Would you mind slowly taking it off?
Please.
Oh, yeah. Here it
Oh my goodness. I'm ashamed.
Wow, Terrell, you're everything that we want. I'm not sure audience participant. You're big, brother. You? Oh, I'm taking it for a test drive. You're obviously a hero. You're just missing one thing. Do you know what that is? You're missing long, luscious locks.
Bam! Long luscious locks right here. Don't worry, Terrell. We got you covered.
I'll be about people. Right here.
Hey! It was at this precise moment that the princess, using her delicate, feminine, atrophied muscles, turned towards the pit and threw Dewey in disguise! Come to stand and declare Rapunzel! Rapunzel!
Let down here.
Here you go, my sweet prince.
Oh, what
My
can I
heart
hear
is
that?
aflutter. I can't wait to see her lovely young face and for her to see me. But I've rowed and I've rowed for many long nights. I've not bathed in weeks. I have one change of tights. I'm in
got your
no
wild
shape to
beard.
move her. I'm too foul, I fear.
Quit screwing around and get that new sex booty up here.
She sounds hot. There's no time to waste. To my lady fair, I'll ascend this tower by her lovely long hair. Ooh. It feels so fine, so tough, and so strong, so strange and so slick, so yellow and long. It's so thick and so coarse. It smells like sour grapes.
What can I say? The carpet matches the drapes. Sucker! That woman show! That woman!
Hey, bro, independent
woman who can make her own decisions, right? By saying, I love Robin Hood. Say it, baby. I love Robin Hood. You know that's right. He's the man that I love. Sing it, hot mama. I love him.
Well, I hear the conviction in his voice. That's a good deal, Dewey. Yeah, baby. Come here, baby. Whoa, dude. It's not Florida, man. It looks like it's going to tear you in half like a bull book.
What? You were going to hurt me, Maid Marian? Well, I'll defend your honor anyways, you scary little Pop-Tart. Knowing your corrupted intention, this union shan't start. I'll dismiss you. I know how to use this. I'll dismiss you, foul sheriff, with this arrow through your heart.
Dude, pull it right in my heart!
Right to them heart.
It's sensitive. Oh, it's getting dark, brother.
Get it, brother.
Oh, I smell toast.
I get it, brother. It's a bad shot.
Oh, this is it. This is the big one. The
Right.
big day. Oh, here we go.
Die, brother.
Avenge me, brother.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how it happened.
The only way to win the heart of our community and legitimize our endless love was through the art of dance.
No, sir.
Brother, they don't like this part in Georgia either. Let me get the character. Hold on. Let me get it. Boom! I had Bam! And I never felt this way before. Yeah, it's the truth. And I owe it all to you. Oh, give it up. All right, lords and ladies, you know the words. We want to hear everybody sing. I had the time of my life, and I
People might enjoy this. Oh, what did I do there, man? Them bad. Them bad people, them bad. Them bad.
Should I do it?
Yeah. Do it in there. Do it in
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how it happened. Are you ready, Thelma?
I'm ready, Louise.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm ready, I'll do it.
It will always be your spotted time flames.
For the butter, so alright guys, I really hope you enjoy the video as much as me I enjoy myself right now. But yeah man, before I go away, I want you to remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and leave a comment below. Them things are really important to help our channel grow.
Rush-Dem said like the video. Rush-Dem Vlogs. Rush-Dem Vlogs.